QuickBooks Error 1327. 3 Quick Solutions. Solution 1. Fix Registry Settings. Step 1. Click on the search icon and type in Regedit. Step 2. From the result, right-click on Registry Editor and select Run as Administrator. Step 3. Click on Yes to allow the app to make changes. Step 4. Now, click on File, then Export. Step 5. Create a file name, set the export range to All, and select a location to save the backup. Step 6. Once done, click on Save and close the window. Step 7. Now press the Windows plus or keys together to open the Run dialog box. Step 8. Enter Regedit in the Open field and press OK. Step 9. Click on Yes to allow the app to make changes. Step 10. In the Registry Editor window, navigate to Step 11. Now, look for the entry related to the drive for which you are facing the error. Step 12. Double-click on the entry in the Value Data field, enter C and press OK. Step 13. Once done, restart the system and try to install QuickBooks. Solution 2. Repair.NET Framework. Step 1. Click on the search icon, type in Control Panel, and open it. Step 2. Set the view by to large icons and go to Programs and Features. Step 3. Then click on Turn Windows Features on or off. Step 4. Locate the .NET Framework, uncheck them, and press OK. Step 5. Once Windows has completed the requested changes, click on Restart Now. Step 6. When the system turns back on, open the search menu by clicking the search icon. Step 7. Type in Windows Features and open Windows Features turn on or off. Step 8. In the Windows Features window, turn the .NET Frameworks back on and click OK. Step 9. Next, select Let Windows Update download the files for you, and it'll start downloading the files. Step 10. Once Windows has completed applying the requested changes, click on Close. Solution 3. Add a new user and try to install. Step 1. First, click on the Windows Start button and go to Settings. Step 2. Click on Accounts on the left side of the window and click on Family and Other Users. Step 3. On Other Users, click on Add Account and you'll be able to add an online or offline account. Step 4. Click on I don't have this person's sign-in information to create an offline account. Step 5. Then click on Add a user without a Microsoft account. Step 6. Create a username for the new account, leave the password blank and click Next. Step 7. Once done, close the window and click on the Windows Start button again. Step 8. Click on the user icon and select the new user to switch the account. Step 9. Then click on Sign In, and the login process can take some time. Step 10. Set the privacy settings and click on Accept. Step 11. Once you've logged into the new user account, try installing QuickBooks. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902298 +44 800 0548 150.